Welcome to my channel. How to reset Wi-Fi repeater. 1. Locate the reset button. Find the small reset button on your Wi-Fi repeater. It is usually a pinhole button labeled Reset on the back or bottom of the device. 2. Power on the repeater. Ensure your Wi-Fi repeater is plugged into a power outlet and turned on. The power LED should be lit. 3. Press and hold the reset button. Use a paper clip, pin, or a similar tool to press and hold the reset button. 4. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds. Keep the button pressed for 10 to 30 seconds, or until the power light blinks or changes color. This indicates that the reset process has begun. 5. Release the reset button. Once the LED starts blinking or turns off momentarily, release the button. The device will now restart. Six. Wait for the repeater to reboot. Allow the repeater a few minutes to complete its reboot process. The power light will stabilize once the reset is done. 7. Reconnect to the repeater. After the reset, the repeater will broadcast its default Wi-Fi network, e.g., repeater_ext or similar. Check the repeater's label for the default network name. 8. Access the repeater's setup page. Open a web browser on a device connected to the repeater's default network and go to the repeater's admin interface, often at 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. 9. Log in with default credentials. Use the default username and password, usually admin, for both. Check the label on the repeater if you're unsure. 10. Reconfigure the repeater. Set up the repeater again by following the setup wizard. Connect it to your main router's network and customize the settings as needed. Thanks for watching.